Have you ever felt like you've done everything to make her think about you, but she still doesn't seem to care? You text her all the time, you give her constant attention, but what happens? You end up looking desperate. And that's the problem, bro. You're trying too hard. But relax, in this video, I'm going to show you a smarter way how to make her think about you constantly, even when you're not around. And most importantly, how to build real emotional attachment. But remember, this is not cheap tricks. This is for those who play the long game. 1, make her invest in you. This is a big secret and most guys don't understand it. If you want her to think about you, she needs to invest in you first. Most guys do everything. Plan everything, give all the effort, try too hard to impress. But if she gives nothing, she won't feel attached. Remember this, people value what they invest in. The more time, effort, and emotion she puts into you, the more she'll think about you. So what should you do? Let her plan sometimes, ask for her opinion, involve her in small decisions. Simple, but very powerful. 2, don't always be available. Let me ask you something. If something is too easy to get, do you still value it? No. Same goes for you. If you're always available, always replying instantly, always there, your value drops. Why? Because there's no space for her to miss you. What should you do? Don't reply instantly all the time. Don't always text first. Give space sometimes. Not to play games, but to create room. Because in that space, she starts thinking about you. 3, leave an emotional impact. If you only make her happy for a moment, she'll forget you. But if you make her feel something deep, she won't. For example, she once told you a childhood story, you remember it and recreate that moment with her. Or when she's sharing a problem, don't rush to fix it. Just say, I understand. That must be really hard for you. Simple, but powerful, because now she feels understood, valued, safe, and that feeling is hard to replace. 4, don't be too predictable. Why are thriller movies exciting? Because you don't know what's coming next. Relationships are the same. If you're too predictable, it becomes boring. Try something different sometimes. Send something unexpected but relevant. Give small surprises, break your usual patterns. But don't overdo it. The key is balance. Stable enough to feel safe, unpredictable enough to stay interesting. 5, keep a little mystery. One of the biggest mistakes guys make, they reveal everything too fast. If she knows everything about you right away, she has no reason to be curious. And without curiosity, she won't think about you. Try this. If she asks something too personal, don't answer everything immediately. You can say, I'll tell you later. Not yet. You'll find out. Now she starts wondering, what else is there about him? And that curiosity keeps you on her mind. Closing. So here's the truth, bro. If you want her to think about you constantly, it's not about trying harder. It's about being smarter. Remember these 5 things. Make her invest in you. Don't always be available. Leave emotional impact. Don't be too predictable. Keep some mystery. This is not manipulation. This is about balance and connection. If you do this the right way, she won't just think about you. She'll be afraid of losing you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. And comment which part hit you the most. Thanks for watching. Stay strong.